Right here.
Alright, man. I'm Officer Wade. So, you know where you're going?
Okay.
To jail.
You're going into jail. So you need to stand up and put your hands behind your back.
Well, first what I want you to do is put your hands right here. Alright?
You can try, but
I don't think so either.
and you can justify it.
Alright, put your hands behind your back.
Never mind, I'll text you. Yeah, you're not.
Barely.
No.
Not worth it. Just
Yeah.
Alright, your hands are too small.
Okay. Keep your hands in front of you like this. Okay? When you take it off.
Alright, come on.
Follow this officer.
Huh? You just left. You just left.
come on, you
Alright,
don't walk in between us.
follow him. You understand this is very serious, okay? And I hate that you put me in this position that I have to do this. Okay? Alright? The thing about it is you made a mistake. Now it's time to learn from it and grow from it, right? Not repeat the same mistake again. Okay?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, come on.